world.py. First, you'll need to check whether a recent version of Python is installed on your computer. If it isn't, you'll install it.
Welcome everybody. Today we will code a program that will read a PDF to us using Python. We will first create or identify the PDF we want the program to read. I have created a PDF of the text copied from the Python website as a sample. Along with that I have a book on Python called Python Crash Course. We will first create a program to test whether our computer can produce audio with Python. We will now test the code that is shown on the screen.
Hello there, I am your computer speaking.
This is the stage 2 of our program. It will just print the file path of the PDF. This is the stage 3 of the program where we will see how to make our program read a PDF. In the next and the last stage we will add more functions to the program to make it better. We will now test the code that is shown on the screen.
Compound data types lists, known as arrays in other languages, are one of the compound data types that Python understands. Lists can be indexed, sliced, and manipulated with other built-in functions. More about lists in Python 3.
This is the last stage of the code that will read the correct page to us.
Getting started. In this chapter, you'll run your first Python program, hello_world.py. First, you'll need to check whether a recent version of Python is installed on your computer. If it isn't, you'll install it.
We will now see the explanation of each line of the code. Installing packages we need to create our program. The use of these modules are shown on the screen. Opening PDF using file variable and storing the path of the file in the file path variable. Opening PDF in file to read variable. Line 10 we start the text-to-speech engine through reader variable. Opening PDF with our imported module through book reader variable. Getting total number of pages of our book in number of pages. Asking user to enter the page to start reading from in page to start variable and converting the input we got from the user to integer. Finally we will subtract 1 from the user input as the counting in computer starts from 0. We create a for loop with the page to start and the total number of pages as arguments. We get the page of the file using book page variable. We extract the text from page and store it in page content variable. We pass the text to the reader, which is our text-to-speech engine, to read the text. Then we ask the engine to run and wait for the next input. The input is given when the for loop runs on the next iteration and the entire process repeats itself. The process continues until the end of the PDF or until our program is manually stopped. Remember, you can always add more features and also comment if you want another tutorial making this program more feature-rich and advanced.